when I first came, I had very poor energy level. I was sleeping a lot during the day. I mean, I would sleep over 10 hours every night and still want to sleep during the day. Very tired, very just not feeling well, headaches, chronic headaches.
How many times a week do you have headaches?
Almost every day, at least some sort of pain in my head. It may not have been a migraine per se, but my migraines were at least 2 to 3 times a month.
Wow, okay. And how about digestion?
Oh, I was bloated. I mean, anytime I ate, I felt really terrible, no matter what I ate, and I couldn't lose weight, and I just was gaining and gaining and gaining, and I didn't know why.
Okay. And you were diagnosed with?
With Hashimoto's disease.
How long have you had that diagnosis?
Probably about 15 years.
15 years you had Hashimoto. At one time they did ultrasound. What did they find on the ultrasound? 10 years ago, was it?
Yeah, about 10 years ago. It was a goiter with multi-nodules.
Okay.
And they were really shocked that I could still swallow. It was really big.
Wow, okay. So you came to, how did you find us, by the way?
On Facebook.
Okay, great. So, and since starting the program, what improvement have you seen so far?
My energy level is way up, better than it used to be.
So what number, 0 to 10, 10 being jumping off the wall, what number was it before and what number is it now? Just give an estimate.
I think I probably was a 1 or 2, if that. I mean, I did have a couple days here and there where I'd have a burst of energy, but it was very short-lived.
Okay, and what's your energy level now?
Now it's a pretty good 7.
That's great, okay. And how about your headaches?
They're not completely gone, but they're very minimal now. Now when I take ibuprofen, if I do have a slight pain in my head, and I could take 2 or 3 ibuprofen and would kill it rather than the full 800
Megagram.
Sorry.
That's okay. And it still wouldn't help anyways.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So, and how often are you having these headaches now?
Maybe once every 2 weeks.
Okay, that's great. And then digestion, any improvement there?
That has greatly improved. I've lost 15 pounds in less than 3 months.
That's great.
And I'm eating better. I feel better. I don't have to eat as much to feel full.
And then how about your skin? You were having some skin issues?
Yes, I would break out all the time. I was constantly breaking out here, and now as long as I don't eat the wrong foods, my skin is very clear.
That's awesome. So what do you feel like is the biggest difference between what we do here versus what you have done elsewhere?
Well, I didn't have any guidance. I didn't have any solid something to strive for. No matter what I did, I never saw any results, so I would never stick to anything, and I didn't really want to go on a diet because I knew diet. And I've had exercised in the past for blocks of time. I mean, cardio kickboxing and stuff when I did have a little bit more energy before it got really bad. Never lost any weight, so I kind of gave up. Because I would get blood work done by my regular doctor, and everything's normal. Well, if everything's normal, why do I still feel this bad? So at least now, with the more in-depth look at the blood work and stuff, it finally gave me a reason as to what my symptoms were coming from and how I can fix them and improve them.
Okay, great. So do you feel like this program is worth its time and the money invested in it?
Oh, absolutely.